What's going on, y'all? It is your boy Chris back again with another video. Now in today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys a vlog. Now I don't know if it's gonna be a multiple day vlog or if it's just gonna be a one-day vlog. It all depends on how much footage I get and how I feel about it, if it needs more or not. Because at the end of the day, I'm just trying to bring bangers for y'all. But anyway, so as y'all might have seen from the title of this video, I got a package today that I really want to go ahead and show y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all right now. So this right here is the package in question. I've been waiting on this package for a few days and it's finally here. So I'm super excited to show you guys what's inside. But yes, there's a but. I'm not gonna show you guys just yet. You're gonna have to wait just a little bit more into this video to see what's inside. Now, as you read from the title, this mod right here is gonna give me at least 20 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 20 horsepower. Now you're thinking, what could possibly be in this package, in this envelope, that's gonna give me 20 horsepower? Now, if you're a car enthusiast, you know exactly what's in there. You know it's dyno tested, all the pros do it, and you know it's a great effective way to get some quick 20 horsepower. And if you do it right, you tweak it right, you know what you're doing, you might even sneak in a couple more. Now, if you guys are new to the car scene, you might not know what this is. You better be in for a treat. Now, this works for any car, any model, any make, any year. Easy 20. You don't even have to touch the engine for this. It's gonna be quick. It's gonna be easy. So let's go ahead and go to my car and show you guys what this is. I'm sure some of you already know what it is, and I'm sure you guys are excited just as I am. Let's go. I ain't even go outside yet, but I know I'm gonna need this. Told you I needed it. So these right here are the ones that are gonna give me those 20 horsepower. I'm sure some of you expected it was gonna be something like this. I'm sure some of you didn't. Oh well, it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and install this one first. On this little window, it's gonna be a perfect fit. So let's go ahead and put it on there.
Birdie's just being.
Tell me that don't look hard right there. Oh, I got two. I got three more. All right, the one that I'm gonna put next to it is gonna be Talk to Me. If you know who that is, you know, you're OG. If you don't, oh well, find out. All right, so this one I'm not gonna install because the window that I was planning on and putting it on doesn't have tint. I'm gonna show you. As you can see through it. That's inside my car. So I'm not gonna put that one, try to put tint on it. So I'm gonna hold on to that one. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you what all three of the other stickers look like. Didn't even stand one chance, bro. Not even one. You know I had to get right. I had to get right. Now don't try to judge me because I'm eating all the bad. Because I know and you know that you do it too. So don't judge me. Don't try to hold me for that. Now, I'm about to eat this watermelon. If you don't like watermelon, please do me a favor. Grow the fuck up. Please. This watermelon is freaking fire. Anyways, something that I didn't tell you guys about the sticker, Ubuntu sticker, sorry. I don't know if I'm gonna put it because on the window that I want to put it on, he's gonna be facing backwards and I don't think it's gonna look good. So I don't think I'm gonna even end up putting it on. Who knows? We'll see later down the road when I get my window tinted, like I said. But yeah. So that's something that I forgot to mention. About to eat this watermelon because oh my god, this looks fire. It's already 5:33 in the morning and I have to go over working on my day off. Crazy. 10:02 and just like that, my shift is over. I really just came to help out and fit in real quick little 4 hours. Not too bad, especially right now with the COVID-19, how everything is, you know, cutting hours and stuff. I couldn't say no to a few hours. But anyways, I'll go ahead and try and give you guys a few montage, B-roll type thing of me giving a car wash, but As you can see, it drizzled a little. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that. If it clears up, I'm gonna try and go and do that little B-roll for you guys. If not, I'm probably not. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna be on my way home right now, and yeah, we'll see if I get that B-roll for y'all. This Starbucks drink, fucking fire. The mocha is pretty good too. Probably the mocha is a little bit better than this one. But honestly, realistically, I wanna go ahead and go to sleep when I get home. That's probably not gonna happen. So I just decided, by the way I'm driving, that's why I'm not really looking at you guys. But I decided, you know what, let me just drink this little coffee so I can wake up a little bit. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna go to sleep when I get home, which is really what I wanna do, but I suck at taking naps. And even when I do take naps, I take them for like 5 minutes, so it's not even worth it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go home and enjoy the rest of my day. Hopefully the sky clears up because it is pretty cloudy. Let me show you. It is pretty cloudy, so hopefully it clears up and I get to go get this car wash. So something that I used to do a lot was work out. Now hold on, before that, so I wanted to show you guys. I mean, it's still kind of cloudy. It's not super like clear. I'm gonna check the weather, and if it shows that it's not gonna rain no more, I might just go wash it even if it's a little cloudy out. But yeah, we'll see. Anyways, I'm a little out of breath right now because I'm working out now. Something that I used to do a lot was work out, you know. As you can tell, I'm not big, I'm not huge, but I used to work out, and you know, I like to stay healthy. But I'm gonna say, I'll be honest, like for a whole year, I've just been off the grind. I'm a little out of breath right now. I have not worked out in a very long time, especially ever since coronavirus started. I have not worked out. I want to say I've not worked out consistently in maybe a year. I barely started working out yesterday, and it wasn't nothing too crazy. I'm just trying to get slowly back into it, trying to do some home workouts. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that, maybe time lapse a little bit, just a little bit for you guys. Like I said, I'm barely starting to get back into it, so if my form is horrible or whatever, oh well, so be it. I'm just doing some quick leg workouts, trying to see what I could do here at home. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, show y'all. Yeah, that's basically it. Sorry, like I said, that I'm out of breath. Just haven't worked out in a while, but yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys me working out. Alright, so I just finished working out. I'm lying. I finished working out like an hour ago, and I've just been chilling. Like I said, it was a quick little workout, nothing too crazy, because I'm just trying to start to get back into it slowly. Hopefully everything works out. But anyways, I don't know what I'm gonna do today, if I'm gonna do anything. If I do, pick it up. Like I said, I might go wash my car and make like this little B-roll. We'll see. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video so far, and yeah, let's see what else I bring for you guys. Let's go. As you guys saw from those previous clips, I'm gonna go ahead and try and remove some, well, I'm gonna try to polish my car for the first time ever. So I got the products right there. I got a compound and a wax, and I'm gonna be using that bad boy right there. Hopefully everything goes good. If it doesn't, oh well, I'm playing. But I really want this too, because that looks terrible. So let's go ahead and try and do this. It's freaking dull. It looks like, I don't know, from the top, I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like somebody applied something on the roof, but didn't like take it off or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and fix that with the wax and stuff. So let me get to it and I'll show you. Alright, y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a thumbs up down below. Comment anything that you like about the videos. And yeah, until the next one, see y'all. Peace.